I just made biscuits. Let's check it out.
Welcome to NOLA Gent. Let the good times roll.
Okay, this could be a disaster. How do I get these things out? My finger? Am I gonna burn myself? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Ah, yeah, that's hot. Ooh, I just cut it in half. Let's see. Ooh, the inside looks nice and steamy. Gonna try some of this blackberry butter and some of this strawberry fruit spread on here. Ooh, yeah. Let's see what some of these things taste like. With a little blackberry. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh, that spreads pretty nicely, actually. All right, let's try a little strawberry. Ooh, this is thicker. All right, taste test time. Let's see. Moment of truth. Is the biscuit gonna be a failure, or is it gonna be super delicious? I don't know. Let's see. Pretty nice and fluffy, I'd say. Whoa, really moist, nice, fresh. First time making biscuits, and I used whole wheat flour like a dirty hippie. Look at me being all healthy. Ha ha ha. So, hey, I'd give these biscuits a 10 out of 10. This is the best biscuit I've had in quite a while. Yeah.
NOLA Gent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.